Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Haley's birthday and Hanky and I are gonna run out to grab some last minute decorations and balloons just to jazz up the whole living room and downstairs so that when Haley comes home from school, she's surprised and excited. We're just keeping it low-key for tonight since it's a Tuesday night, and we're gonna have our family friends over for dinner and cake, and we have a big present in store for her. So she'll be really excited when she gets that tonight, and our family friends are bringing that over. But I thought I'd take you guys along with us to the Dollar Tree. And hold on, Hanky. Hold on. I thought I'd take you guys along with us to the Dollar Tree.
A gun.
That's a gun. Hank's got his gun. He wants to show everybody. Go ahead.
I shoot.
You shoot? Oh no. Anywho, so I thought I'd take you guys along with us, and I'll do a quick little Dollar Tree haul, and we have to go to Albertsons and pick up fruit because that is where we like to buy our pre-cut fruit from. They have the best prices usually on fruit. Albertsons is kind of pricey for us in general, but the produce section is usually pretty good, and they have a big selection. So yeah, here we go. Pulled up to Dollar Tree, and my friend Nicole actually just texted me, and she sent a Pinterest picture of a keto-friendly pumpkin bread, and I think I'm going to take a minute and write down the ingredients so that when I go to Albertsons next, I can get some ingredients for this. I think I'm going to take it to a Bible study that I'm going to start going to on Thursday nights. And a lot of the ladies that are going are also on some form of either a keto journey or gluten-free or just trying to make healthier choices. So I think that would actually be a really good thing to bring, and my friend Nicole suggested it, and she suggested that I bring it to Bible study, which I thought was just hilarious. But I want something pumpkin related. I haven't had anything pumpkin-y or like no pumpkin ingredients yet this fall, or fall's approaching, so I'm really craving something like that, and I think that would be a great treat to make. Hank has been reverting back to being a 6-month-old, so that's fun. Again, we just got back and we went to the Dollar Tree and also to Albertsons, and I was gonna get some ingredients for some keto pumpkin bread over at Albertsons, but Hank was just super ready for a nap, so we came home, unloaded the cold stuff from the car. Haley really wanted cantaloupe with dinner tonight. We're gonna order pizza for her birthday, so I picked up cantaloupe, and we had to get some goodies to decorate at Dollar Tree. Anyway, so I was gonna get ingredients for that pumpkin bread, and I couldn't. Had to get him to sleep. So came home, got him to sleep, unloaded the Dollar Tree stuff just now. I have it all out on the counter. Cold stuff's put away, and I'm gonna show you what I got because I didn't only get birthday stuff. I got some Halloween decorations also, and I think it's gonna be really funny to put a bunch of stuff out front this year on Halloween so that, if we do get some trick-or-treaters, hopefully we do, beyond just our neighbors, then, it's all themed and fun. So, yeah. Okay. So, got these two guys, and they are so funny. I can straighten them out. And a skeleton, and Hank loved these guys. Thought those were fun. Oh, I also found this cute little chalkboard, and it's a I Am Thankful For chalkboard, and I thought this would be really cute for the kids for all fall, not just November, but just to be reminded. Hank picked out this guy, and I think he'll be really funny. I have a little table on the front patio, and I think he'll look hilarious next to like a big candle or a pumpkin or something like that, but it's so fun. What's these things? Spooky little ghost with some witch legs, so like a ghosty witch. So her actual birthday party in a couple of weeks is going to be pineapple themed. So I got yellow and green crepe paper. And then for tonight I got pink and white. And I got her this little happy birthday tiara. And then I got some plates just for tonight, just so she feels special, like it's kind of like a party, and some napkins. And then I got these tissue pom-pom garlands. We'll see how these fold out, but I got 2 of these in the yellow color, and if they work out, I will keep them for her birthday party. Also, and then I got these 2, like kind of sparkly little fuzzy signs to go out front too. Lids for these ones in the bag, but I got these giant Tupperwares and it was $1 for each of them, but these will be great for you know, holiday cookies and stuff like that. If we want to give them away, or if Nick wants to take some into the office, then we'll have these for this. Oh. And last but not least, I couldn't believe this was only $1. It's a little wood cutout spooky sign, and I thought it was so fun. And we'll stick that in the front yard too, once it gets a little closer to October. And so yeah, that's all I got at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if you guys are like me, leave a comment down below if you like to get all of your fall kind of decorations out, and then once Halloween rolls around, make it a little spookier, and then go back to fall, or if you just keep it strict fall, or if you go all out with Halloween decorations as soon as September 1st comes around. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Okay, and I almost forgot, but I got all of these balloons too. The line was crazy, so I didn't want to have any latex balloons filled, and I kind of have a latex allergy, so no bueno, but I just bought 4 happy birthday balloons, and I think she'll like these anyway. So I'm going to decorate for her really quick, and then I will give you guys a quick overview picture of that. Okay, so that was intense to try to do all of these, but they actually came out really cute, and it's on like a decent ribbon. So these will totally hold up for her next, like her real birthday party, her actual party. Oh, I didn't undo this one. But I'm gonna hang this up really fast over here. I think I'm gonna do it along the bar. I'm gonna do some crepe paper underneath it still, and then I'll string this up along it. And it's 9 feet long, so they're really cute, and they're decent, you know, not bad for Dollar Tree decorations. And I have another one of them in the Halloween bag for her actual party. So yeah, there you go. One of the balloons, one of these pink ones. I got 2 of these. I might take one and go put it on our mailbox outside because I think that Haley will love that. So I had to get the scissors out to open up these napkins because I was having a blonde moment and there was no easy way to open them. With the birthday girl, and she has purple and pink and blue hair, courtesy of Nanny and Papa.
And I have a JoJo Siwa bow in.
She
my
does.
favorite song is JoJo Siwa. And my mom, she got me a birthday crown, but I don't want to put it on because the fuzzies will get all dirty in the bottom.
Anyway, she's excited about all the stuff that we got and set up for her. And I am painting a pumpkin. I bought this last year and it was orange from Michael's. And I wanted to put a big vinyl cursive F on it for our front patio. But because of the material it was made out of, the plastic, it was too shiny. The vinyl wouldn't adhere. So I am chalk painting it white with my favorite chalk paint. This is the Waverly chalk paint. And just the white. And Haley is painting a masterpiece, I'm sure. And Colton's eating some chocolate cookies. But anyway, I'm going to wrap up the vlog here because I don't know how the rest of the evening is going to go. But thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.